My name is Madeline Bonk, and I just graduated from Material Art and Design, Textiles. For thesis, I built a loom that I cut down the tree to build. My experience in Material Art and Design was great. I learned so many new techniques. I got the chance to work with new materials. I got to use a lot of the studio space and time. The shop technicians are wonderful, and they'll answer any of your questions that you may have. I really wanted to build a piece of furniture that involved textiles or fabric, and I just thought, why not make a loom? And so I cut down a few trees on my great Uncle Paul's land, and went from there. My experience in Material Art and Design Textiles was phenomenal. I learned so much. I got the chance to use all the studio space. They taught me many new techniques that I've never heard of before. I was able to really explore with new materials and techniques, and the shop technicians were always there to answer any of my questions through email or person. It was very accessible for me to really just take chances and do the kind of projects that I wanted to do.